GSHS. I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to our first at-home broadcast.
Today's going to be partly sunny with a high of 50 and a low of 40. Tomorrow's going to rain all day with a high of 61 and a low of 47. Friday's also going to rain all day with a high of 52 and a low of 42.
This week for national sports, the National Baseball League, due to the coronavirus, has no idea as to when the season will start up again. As of right now, every game is postponed. There is no spring training activities planned, but people are allowed to go to the spring training activities facilities, but will be more in a space by themselves. They say that they will not let a date out as to when they think the season will start back up again. The club's plan is to play as many games they possibly can this season, but they did not give out any information as to the team sections or whether there will be a World Series at the end of the season. They say we just have to play by ear. Fans will be informed as to when the season will start up again.
I hope everyone's having a safe quarantine. If you're as bored as I am, you can go on to Disney Plus and watch Star Wars The Clone Wars Season 7, which is the final season of the show that has been going on since 2008. If you don't have a Disney Plus account, you can register for a free trial online for 7 days, and you can watch anything you want. There's any Disney movie, any Pixar movie. It's a great way to pass the time. Netflix is also offering similar deals, and so is Hulu. Recently, The Tiger King came out on Netflix, and it is a very popular show. I would recommend watching it. It would be probably the best way to pass time. Go binge watch your favorite shows, have fun, stay safe, and good luck to everyone. Now back to the anchors.
Thank you for listening, GSHS, and have a wonderful day.